Hello mo, welcome back in lo one tutorial lo Photoshop. This time ba you mean no, ba you mean lo last video you may be look lo ting idea lo one have all layers. So in this tutorial, this video, mama you may look I may actually work with them layers inside the Photoshop. So you may go right ahead and create one new flower. Canvas will work with them. Go with the default, so all the settings will start in here. Click OK. You may open one rather big canvas preset. What by me make it look let's say this thing layers and we show finish stuff. And we already is shown. And all small panel preset. This is one window we show because only show all same because we say essentials workspace. So let's just keep it like that. So once you open a one, once you open a one, you create a one new canvas or white canvas established, automatically we create a one background layer. And we create a one layer and we call them layer and we background. Every time we create a layer, but layers appear. And to create them, you can one way to create one new layer. I mean, right click on the current layer and we duplicate layer. And by me asking you games up by asking some details, so you give in, just click OK, look at it, and then now you have two layers. Maybe one of the ways, one of the earliest tricks where then you say how to create them, you can just duplicate the current layer. You may know the image just delete it. You may know the use method, yeah. You may want them say by move come down. Area of layers, you come down, you got all different options and stuff. For creating one new layer, you can use one paper where you fold them edge, bottom left edge. So you just click them, and then it creates a new layer. We mess them here, press them two times, so we double click, so we create them two layer one. Then we want them just creating one, so we'll delete that, delete the second one. So you may once we create a layer, look you mean look any change on this look this is still white. This also lo example lo all papers you mistake even got one first paper towel. Let me put on one more under them, which is layer one. But this layer paper I am transparent. Kind of paper we are looking through them. So right now this layer I am transparent. We say look through them. Me look background layer. So that's why the you become back look canvas. Look, me no look any something. Like I can only see white, and me color where I start low background layer. So how now is I put on something on this layer? Well, look, then you start area of layer, or area of layer. So then you click the back, white background. Then you say work the background layer. So you click the layer one. Then you say make any something you want to make another layer one. You say right then one top layer. You say make all shapes or whatever. Put on one photo layer. Now, once you select them, you have a camera and you make you work the layer, you make it with something also you want. So to start off the layer one, you want to say you want them just make it one color. You want them say the color them layer by layer one color them by different so that by white by different white. So firstly you must come choose one color down the click on the black area. Whenever I come out, a color pick come out. So let's choose a red color. Click on one reddish colors. Now color say change your red. So the full map you should paint bucket. This paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool. Um, so make sure that layer one and we selected. Make sure that you click the layer one, and then you come to place here. You the blow full up layer. You know full up the place here. You come to canvas. Then you click the canvas. Then ready go. By look the layer blue nay red. So because red on color we miss a full up me on solid color by making say it block a full area. It block a full canvas. But you say but you know have a look whenever we start underneath there, you know say look background layer. You say look layer one, you know say look background layer. From say layer one na tayo mi full map. Tayo mi full map red color igolo hem. Naya hem emino transparent now. Na hem no transparent be hem become solid. Hem solid me game say na him look red, him no more look white. Now if you me go ali me create one more layer, that layer that once you create them and transparent, so you can see layer one. You know, so I look background layer, so I look layer one. And lo layer two ya, you wanna follow one different color again. You will. So you go to one green color. Come, since we choose my paint packet tool, I think just stop. Let me just stop. So just click no, layer green. So you go back to layers, you look layer 2 and green, layer 1 and red, layer background layer and white. I have 3 layers. That's like 3 papers stacked when we stack them on top of each other. With one white down, one red limited, and one green on top. Time stand up, Mr. Look go down. Me look green no more. Me look green no more. From say paper you know transparent. And we got one solid color. Became say me look green home, me say look red or white. Pair, pair. Now yeah, we want them cut them out. So we go use a marquee tool. We come to this here. We select them layer two. And let me throw them. Me make one throw one box. Like every something you make them look canvas. People make sure you start work the right layer. You go choose one this here. So become throwing box believe this. We press them delete no keyboard. Press them delete keyboard. Now you say look red. You look one color red. You come. From say we cut them out one hole. By look lo layer. You say cut them out one hole. Now you say look through the hole. You look red lo. So you look listen yeah. You say look through the hole. You look red. And then now yeah. We want them cut them. You go back again. We want them cut them lo by me look white. Lo me look white. By me no must cut outside lo green area. From so me cut lo green area. By me percent delete me still look red now. Then we must cut inside lo. Must throw in one more one inside lo red place. Throw in one more. Lo place le present lo place. Now so me present delete by no say out them. By no say out them because me still stop lo layer with color blame create. In other words, we still select them layer 2 is the. So para me sabe cut them red, para me must go select them layer 1 also and then come just the present delete. Now lo keyboard na me look through and how will you start look lo screen na it's me also where also say time you pile them up 3 paper, one white, one red, one green. After you start look on top, you go down look at. Then you cut them out small green, by look red. And like push them if you go through the whole way been cut them, you cut them out small red, by look white. So that is how all layers only organized in such a way, only organized the one way where by make them say. Uh, you sabi make them full of one different something lo one layer ali make one other something lo one layer make them say suppose you know, like in one way you make them green layer. So she writing one tok lo, or you painting one picture and that look green layer. You look say no, you know, like you just carry out or something. You just carry out green layer no, but you know this type of one way you make them red layer. Or something where you make a mandapa, so she looks in a glad level, you carry out no mandapa. So you carry out, but you know, even touch them one way stuff, no, say, one way stuff underneath the red layer. So that is how you say work with them layers. And maybe one very very simple. So we just apply them when them no more we talk about the previous video. So theory we been small theory we been talk about. Then we apply we come we talk about inside the Photoshop. The next the next video where you may actually look how you may actually create one design, one proper uh, graphic design using layers and colors and shapes. Lo make him maybe create one small logo. So we hope say you cause something new. We hope say now you understand them wanem now layer you sabi you should layers will make a wanem to do what with. Uh, as you must go along, but you just look survey now importance will always work with them all layers. Thank you Thomas, take care, God bless and see you on next video.